Now, there was a certain rich man who was habitually dressed in expensive purple and fine linen, and celebrated and lived joyously in splendor every day. And a poor man named Lazarus was laid at his gate, covered with sores. He eagerly longed to eat the crumbs which fell from the rich man's table. Besides, even the dogs were coming and licking his sores. Now it happened that the poor man died, and his spirit was carried away by the angels to Abraham's bosom paradise. And the rich man also died and was buried in Hades, the realm of the dead. Being in torment, he looked up and saw Abraham far away, and Lazarus in his bosom paradise. And he cried out, "Father Abraham, have mercy on me, and send Lazarus so that he may dip the tip of his finger in water and cool my tongue, because I am in severe agony in this flame." But Abraham said, "Son, remember that in your lifetime you received your good things, all the comforts and delights, and Lazarus likewise bad things, all the discomforts and distress. But now he is comforted here in paradise, while you are in severe agony. And besides all this, between us and you people, a great chasm has been fixed, so that those who want to come over from here to you will not be able, and none may cross over from there to us." So the rich man said, "Then, Father Abraham, I beg you to send Lazarus to my father's house, for I have 5 brothers, in order that he may solemnly warn them to witness to them, so that they too will not come to this place of torment." But Abraham said, "They have the scriptures given by Moses and the writings of the prophets. Let them listen to them." He replied, "No, Father Abraham, but if someone from the dead goes to them, they will repent. They will change their old way of thinking and seek God and his righteousness." And he said to him, "If they do not listen to the messages of Moses and the prophets, they will not be persuaded, even if someone rises from the dead." Luke 16, verse 19 through 31. Let us take account of things going on in our own lives. If something is within your power to make a positive change, that is the opportunity for you to do God's will. Otherwise, you have sided with his adversary and you shall be held accountable. This is for everyone. The churches too. A massive rebuke is coming for the churches. Peace be upon every single one of you.